Good everyone. Just want to start by saying I enjoy working with databases and I will definitely use them in my work life to track my customers, the services they use from me, the amount of money that they generally spend, their birthdays, because I would like to offer them discount, when it's their birthdays or free services. I would also use it to do queries to see how often they come and to see what type of marketing strategies I could use towards specific customers to get them to come support the business more often. And that's just some of the things a database can help you to do. And I just want to show you some of the things that I did. I created a student form based on the student table. I use all of the information. Hit next. You use a columnar layout. Next, you name it whatever you wanted to name it, and you can hit finish, and this is what it looks like. And quite simple. You hit the view and you have it in design view. You could edit it, change the name. You could change, format it in whatever way you want to, like the font. Let's say you want to change the color of the font, you want to change the outline of the boxes. For example, in this case, we're going to hit shape outline. You're going to pick line type. We want a dotted line type, and there we have a dotted box. There's so many things you can do. You can make the boxes bigger, you can make them smaller, and you make it the way that the customer wants it to look like, or you want it to look like. And we don't want to save it because we don't need that. This is what my student data looks like. And then we created a report, and in this case you can create a report. You can use two tables. Let's say we use a student table and we use student name, last name, and phone number. And then we wanted to use a contract table next, and we wanted a contract ID, the lesson type, and we wanted lesson cost, and this is what it's going to look like. And you can do a little bit more formatting. In this case, we could choose how we want to present the data. In this case, contract ID in ascending order. Hit next. We choose the layout once again, outline, landscape. And when you finish, it's going to look something like this. And you can also edit it and format it in whatever way to make it look good. You can put it in design view. You could import a logo, as in this case, and choose from whichever pictures you have in your system. You could also touch up the boxes, make them bigger, make them smaller, and make sure that everything is visible and legible in the way that you want it. In this case, we were also able to apply conditional formatting to every amount above 200, and that's just some of the things we were able to do with a database to gather certain information and create reports and forms. And I enjoyed working with it. It was a great tool. You could also apply themes, and you don't want to apply themes to everything. You could apply it to this object only, or whatever floats your boat. And it was great. I enjoy working with it. Thank you very much.